Tired of wasting your life away sitting on your ass all day rolling? Tired of all the nonsensical clicking that can break your damn finger? Tired of wasting away hours just to get a dumbass with nightmares and food allergies? Well, now you can stop that shit. Introducing...
Alright, so people have been asking how to edit traits, hero bonuses, and the skills of your characters. And there's a good way to do this with a hex editor. And I'm going to show you how to do it. So first things first, you want to memorize your character's name. In this case, my character is named Allison. And let's say the trait I want to edit is loves the outdoors. And I'm going to change that to something that gives me HP or stamina. So again, Allison loves the outdoors. And I'm going to close the game and show you where the save file is located. Your save decay 2 save files will be located in your C drive, users, your name, and then app data. If this file is not visible, then you need to enable it from your hidden files. Local, packages, and then you'll see all these Microsoft packages here. It's going to be in Microsoft Dayton. And then your save files will be in system app data. So back this up before you make any changes. If you mess up, it's going to corrupt your saves, and you're going to want to back up of the save that works, of course. Okay, so you have different saves here, and each save is in a combination of random letters and numbers. These are your communities, and these random letters and numbers will be different every time you load and exit the game. So you're gonna be like, oh, how am I supposed to find out which survivor I'm supposed to look for? And that's why I said to remember your survivor name. So I'm gonna open up my hex editor here, and I'm gonna try to look for Allison. So I'm gonna try this one. Allison. Is Allison in here? Cannot find Allison. So I'm going to close out of this. I'm going to try to find another one. And just keep doing this until you find the person you're looking for, Allison. Here we go. Allison is in this save. And the trait that we wanted to edit was loves the outdoors. So I'm going to type in loves. Loves the outdoors. Here's what you're going to want to pay attention to. Highlight this part right here. Name property all the way to before the none. And you're going to pay attention to this byte sequence here. And you notice that after name property, you're going to see an empty byte followed by a byte that's filled. This is one of the skill IDs or the trait IDs. And then after 8 more bytes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, you're going to see another trait ID, whatever you want to call it, pertaining to the trait. And then 3 more empty bytes. This is the byte sequence, so this is the format that you're going to want to pay attention to. Let's look at my list of traits here. Let's say I want to change it to immortal. So what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to change the first 2 bytes here that affect my trait. So again, after name property, it's going to be the 22, and the 22 for immortal, it's not 22, it's 1E, so I'm changing that to 1E, followed by 1A, and then I'm going to of course rename this to the immortal attribute. To do that, all you gotta do is mouse over to the left of what you want to type into. So in this case, it's health attribute. And you'll notice you have 4 extra characters. You can just delete them to keep the byte sequence. And see, everything is in the same format. So what if you have something that's longer? Let's say you have like extra characters. and I'm gonna show you how to do that. So let's say I want to do hard to kill, and that has more characters than immortal. So let's try this. Hard to kill. And notice I'm missing 2 L's. So of course you do not want to type in the 2 L's just like that, because it's going to overwrite these 2 bytes, and that's going to break your save. So instead, what you're going to do is you're going to edit, insert bytes, and 2 L's is 2 bytes. L, hard to kill. And of course you want to change the 2 IDs here, or the 2 bytes here, to match hard to kill. And in this case it's 20 and 1C. So 20, 1C. And just to save yourself from a headache, highlight it again and double check to see if you have the byte sequence correct. So make sure you don't have any typos, health attribute, hard to kill, and then check the byte sequence, see if it matches up with hard to kill. So 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, A, 1C. Okay, so everything matches up. And if you're wondering where I got these traits and their byte sequence from, I got it from my other communities. So if there's something you want, let's say you want like another trait, roll for that trait that you want in another community. Again, look for the character and then find out the sequence of their trait, or find out the sequence of their skill. So then you can have something to edit in without your save corrupting. So I'm going to save this, and let's see how she changes. So we have Allison here. And remember, the trait we changed was loves the outdoors, and now it's hard to kill. So of course it works, and you can see the HP here updated. That's all there is to it. Remember, do this responsibly, don't be an ass about it. Thanks for watching.